How to fix Steam no connection error. So first what you want to do is just simply check the servers if they're good or if they're running. And to do that, you simply need to go to your browser. Now once you're on your browser, just search for Steam status and you'll see this first website right here, which is called steamstat.us. So just simply click on that. Once you're here, you will see all of the servers of Steam, if it's running or not. So as you can see, everything is okay and normal. So if that's the case, then there shouldn't be wrong with the servers and it might be on your app or your software on Steam. But if you do see that your servers or the server in your region is not good or it's like on maintenance or something, that should mean that you can't do anything about that. You just need to simply wait until all the servers are back to normal, just like this one. Now, once it's done, we go back to Steam. And if you have problems with downloads, like it's not downloading anymore or the download stopped, but you still have internet connection, what you want to do is just simply go to your Steam button right here on the top left, then go to your settings. Once you're there, go to downloads and scroll down till you see the clear download cache. We just simply need to clear cache right here. Click on confirm, and we'll just basically restart Steam. And if that still does not work and you still have no connection on Steam, even though the servers are up, the last thing they can do is just simply uninstalling and reinstalling Steam. To do that, just simply search for add or remove programs right here. Then just find Steam or search for it. Then simply uninstall it. Then just reinstall it on the website and you're good to go.